Okay. Number 10 is explain what means is gravitational field strength at a point. Yeah. Figure. Okay. Gravitational field strength at the point is imaginary line. Yeah. Imaginary line that show me about force of gravitational field on that region. Jadi kalau di bahasa itu menunjukkan gravitasi force ya di dalam satu region gitu, yang menunjuk pada satu titik ataupun keluar dari titik. Seperti electric field ya, electric field, gravitational field itu hampir sepadan, hanya beda konteksnya. Kalau electric field it's about electrostatic force ya, but gravitational field is about gravitational force. Ya. Nah, di atas itu bisa kalian lihat lagi di apa namanya, di penjelasan atas ya. Bisa copy paste dari situ ya. Kalimat yang enak ditulisnya. Ya, oke. Figure 18.16 ya, so the dwarf planet Pluto and its moon ya, Charon. This can be considered to be a double planetary system orbiting each other about their joint center of mass. Okay, this other planet, yeah, this is Charon, and this is one of mass, and this is Pluto with mass Pluto 1.27, 10 power 22 kilogram. Distance between Charon and Pluto is 19,600 kilometer. Yeah. Okay, and B is here. Yeah, this is number 10. Okay. Calculate the gravitational pull on Charon due to Pluto. Charon and Pluto. Yeah. I think same thing with before. Yeah. F gravitation is G M Pluto M Charon gitu R square. So F equals G is 6.6 times 10 power minus 11. Yeah. Then mass Pluto is 1.27 times 10 power 27 kilogram. Yeah. And then Charon is 1.50 times 10 power 21 kilogram divided with distance. This is 19,600 kilometer. Yeah, so R means, let's say kalau we use 9.6 1.96 equals 1 2 3 4 5 plus 3 8. Yeah, in meter. This is already in meter. Yeah. So here 1.96 times 10 8 square. So F equals, I calculate this number 6.6 times 1.27, then times 1.5 divided 1.69 square. Okay, 3.27 3.27 times 10 power with 27 minus 11 plus 21 minus 16, 21. Yeah, this is 21 in Newton. Okay, that's it about B question. Yeah, B question. This 3.27 times 10 power 21 Newton. Okay, let's check about C question. Use your result to be to calculate Kern's orbital period. Oh, period. Wait. We use kemarin ya, T square equals to GM over R. Oh, sorry. No, no, no. Bukan. This is about 4 pi square over GM times R square. Hmm. Wait, I will use other formula, not use this formula. Yeah. I think same thing also, because they asked me about to compare with B answer, so we will use about this one. Uh, F equals to this is about centripetal force. Yeah, equals to M omega square R. Uh, then omega is 2 pi over T. Yeah, this is square times R. Uh, so we can say T square. Yeah, T square equals to uh, 4 pi square M R divided by F. Uh, yeah. Because we compare about with this, yeah, F. So if we uh, 3.14 square mass of the current, yeah, this is mass of the current is 1.5 times 10, this is M current, yeah, 21, and then radius is this, yeah, 1.6 1.96 times 10 power 8, yeah, and then divided, yeah, with F. 3.27 times 10 power 21. Okay, I will calculate this number. 4 times 3.14 square times 1.5 times 1.69 divided by 3.27. 3545. Here is 35.45 in 10 power 21 kurang 8. Oh, 8 ya. Ini kan bisa kita, actually we can cancel about this one ya, 21. So here is 10 power 8. Or this is still t square ya. This is still t square, so we root 8 ya. T equals to 35, kita root itu kan mendekati 6 sebenarnya ya. Because root of 36 is sorry. Yeah, this is about 5.95 ya. 5.95 10 power 4 in second. Yeah. berapa hari ya kalau kita hitung, tapi because all unit is in SI unit ya, so time or period in also in second. Kalau misalkan Bapak ganti dalam hari ya, ini, uh, this is about 5.95 times 10,000 ya second, and we divide it with 24 and divided by 3600 second. 0.68 days ya. Kalau di dalam hari itu sekitar setengah hari. Karen, wow cepat sekali. Ya seperti itu ya, kurang lebih seperti itu. Okay, this is C question, and then what about D question? Explain why Pluto orbital must be an Explain why Pluto's orbital period must be the same as Charon's. Explain why Pluto. Explain why Pluto's orbital period must be the same as Charon's. Ya, because dia terdampak oleh gravitational force ya. Uh, karena yang kita amatin ini adalah Pluto and Charon orbital. Okay, I will wait around 3 minutes ya, and then after that we go to the next number 11. Mudah-mudahan enough waktunya ya. Silakan kalau mau ditulis atau dicatat, diamatin ya. Sir, tunggu kurang lebih 3 menit. Oke ya. Oke, I think enough ya. We continue to number 11. Uh, Okay, number 11, figure 18.17 shows the variation of Earth gravitational field strength with distance from its center. Okay, figure, okay. Determine the gravitational field strength at a height equal to 2r above the Earth's surface, where r is radius of the Earth. Number 11a. See this, yeah, determine when 2r, this is r, yeah. This is 5, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nah, in here, uh, this is about 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.2, 2.4, yeah. uh, this gravitational field strength, yeah, on the 2r equals to 2.4 times 10, uh, oh enggak ya, emang begini ya, 2.4 uh, apa namanya, Newton kilogram, ya, Newton kilogram minus 1, ya. Nah ini on the 2r, ya. And tadi ini ya, nah itu, ah, this is G, ya, when 2r. Then a satellite is put into orbit at height. State the centripetal acceleration of the satellite. Centripetal acceleration. This is, kita nggak ada mass ya, centripetal acceleration. Equals to bisa use F over M ya. Bisa G M over R square. Also V square over R, also omega square R. Kita kira-kira mau pakai persamaan yang mana nih? Kita punya radius dan F dan gini. A centripetal also same thing with G ya. Kita status wait. A satellite is put into an orbit at the height that the centripetal acceleration of the satellite. Oh, dia kan hanya satu. State the centripetal acceleration of the satellite. It's meaning like centripetal force equals to gravitational force ya. Kalau state itu berarti kan nyatakan. This is only about a mathematic equation ya. Mathematic equation, bukan calculate. Kalau calculate it's we need to find about numerical ya. Kalau calculate itu kan kita harus menghitung. Kalau state itu kan dinyatakan ya. Ya, I think about this one ya. Kenapa S centripetal sama dengan G? because this is F centripetal, yeah, same with F gravitational force from this, yeah. Hmm. Okay, I think the best correct answer is like this, yeah. Then C question. C question is calculate the speed which satellite must be remains orbit. Nah, ini baru kita suruh nyari V, ya. Uh, we find V from A aja, ya. A ini nih, gini. We find from A. Ya. A centripetal same thing with gravitational. A centripetal equals to G, ya, equals to G M over R square. Oh, sorry. Uh, equals to V square. Kita gunakan ini ya guys. Gunakan between ini. V square over R ya. Or omega square R. Tapi yang ditanya adalah V ya, velocity-nya, maka gunakan ini aja. G ya. Kita lihat when R ini adalah when the position is, wait, this is 5 ya, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 10, 7 setengah, 6, 7, 8, 9, oh, this position is 6.5 ya. And G is 10 ya. 10 equals to V square divided R when the position 10 in here, this is equals to 6.5 times 10 power 6 ya. So V equals to kali aja dulu 65. This is about 8 point, yeah, this is about 8.06 ya, times 10 3 ya, meter per second ya, that's it. Oke, I think time's up ya. Kayaknya kasihan kalian harus istirahat. Then please open the video, I will take the picture of you ya.